Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2022 Freightliner with a 24 by 102 steel bed, 54,000 GVW, Detroit diesel, 8 with an automatic Allison transmission, folks. Brand new rubber on the front with refurb steel rim. Unit's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox, brand new straps. Rear tires are 90% to new. Refurb steel outer rim, air ride suspension, universal mounting kit on the back with adjustable front pad. This allows you to carry many different models of forklift, Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, etc. Steel bed, 24-foot 4 by 102, refurb steel outer rim, almost new tires on the back, and brand new tires on the front. 155,000 miles, Detroit diesel engine, 80-gallon aluminum tank on the driver's side, air ride driver's seat. As I said, 155,000 miles, excellent condition. Bench passenger seat, AC, heated mirrors, engine brake, diff lock, Bluetooth radio, folks. This is a beautiful unit. Give us a call. Our number is 260-238-4998. Our website is 99lifts.com. Give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out with any questions you might have. Take a look at our inventory. Lots of trucks, flatbed trailers, piggyback forklifts available for sale. Thank you for your time.